Today we're introducing our most exciting and newest launch, the Asheville Collection. It's a premium French oak hardwood flooring. Well, the general basis of this product with this new collection is it starts out, we use, it's a 9.4 inch wide plank cut from French oak. It's on a platform that is 5/8 of an inch thick. The plank lengths are up to 86 inches in length.
Wow.
So it's pretty long.
Very.
And the nice thing about this is if you open up a carton of material, you're getting about 75% of that is full length long planks. One of the features that we love is the 4mm sawn face. What we see here is you get this tremendously nice piece of top wear layer. And with that, you get the nice straight grain and the unique character that you'll pull. When we're looking at samples, we see them from this perspective. But one of the first things, and people don't understand engineered flooring, and they always they immediately go, oh wow, that's all the, and you look at this 4mm and it is that there's a perceived value to the consumer. And having that thick top wear layer, I think helps show the quality of the product.
Honestly, all of my clients tell me they really want a really wide plank when they're using a wood floor throughout their home. They love the longer look, overall spaciousness. Even if it's not a huge home, it can feel like a huge home with the extended width and length. So this texture is so special and different. Talk to me about that.
Well, I'm glad you asked that. So it's all due to a special technique that we use for wire brushing technique. It's a very subtle process. It's designed to enhance the grain, not overly kill the grain, and then create almost like a 3D effect. You look across the boards here, you still see the grain of the wood, but you also can see how that wire brushing effect sculpts some of the grain of the wood, and in turn enhances it, creates that 3D effect. It's almost a tonal effect in terms of when the way the light hits the floor, it makes that grain pop, it makes it stand out, which is something that I really love about this product. When you look at the floor from different angles and the lighting plays on it, you see the natural light and color of the wood, but it changes from different views, and it's enough of a wire brush to be able to create that effect, and it's very unique.
So the technique on this floor is just amazing. It really does enhance the natural beauty of the French oak. It just plays so well with all the colors and textures. It's simply amazing. So Lynn, I love this product and how it just looks so raw, natural.
What we've essentially done when we set out to create this product was to create the look of capturing raw wood in its purest form with yet a finish. If you look at the product, I mean, what you see is wood in as close to its natural state as possible. And we've achieved that with European finishes that maintain that look. They don't change the color. Even if when you add water to the floor, it changes that color. But what we've been able to do is, through this process, capturing that same look, applying a finish that doesn't look plasticky, and still yet have a urethane type finish. A lot of these finishes like this, you'd almost think it was an oil finish. But what this is this is a UV coated urethane finish. So it offers that wear protection without looking overdone, without looking like a sheet of plastic.
From a design standpoint, it's the perfect backdrop for any style, any color palette. It's just the perfect canvas.
The product by design is, we refer to it as a raw wood look. And what we love about this is it's essentially using special techniques to maintain the look of the wood floor without alteration of the wood color. In addition to this color, we have additional colors in our collection that encompass different staining and finishing process techniques. So we use anything from a fuming process, or what we call smoking process, to working with reactive stains, or a combination of the two to provide a multitude of colors that go any range from this to your medium to brown tones.
So I love this natural French oak, just this raw look. I love it so much, I'm actually using it in a project that I'm working on.
Really?
It's kind of a modern farmhouse on the exterior, the architecture of the home, but it's filled with French touches throughout. So this floor is literally going to be the star of the show. It pairs so well with dark woods. I have some painted furniture, some antiques. So it really kind of brings together the traditional with some modern. It's just the perfect backdrop for everything that we're trying to achieve with this design.
The Asheville collection is a breakthrough in hardwood flooring.
It's a true masterpiece.